Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya Kabul ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka bakham scam kham step kham klan bat baduna bam umpnyang phone hagini number khandai hinyo saw not lai san lani khandai hinriu iwei san prasau hinyo san hinyo
MLA jom ka All India Trinamool Congress na datang Grey constituency Rupa Mairang hakajing shementa jong hakajing ta helor kamang tengka uloong bamenshwa habaki ai district harilum khasi ne rilum jentia kiju ai lang ru harilum Garo handai house nam arajar opwe ka sarkar kalakin teu kerdan ya ka Mairang civil subdivision shaka district Bapura handai harilum Garo pat kim ai wat laki pat ba kila dawa nakapor shakapor badai ban pen kieu kerdan no ya ka dadang Grey civil subdivision shaka district Bapura Shu uniu MLA ulapan pau ka jing sokya namar ka jing bamla menteri kampura ya ka jingjal airport bat ulong bakal link son kawan her ha ka airport day tang sisin sisnam bat kataru tang ha kapor ba pelong ya ka begong festival lat ngang ta om ju i link son ulong bagi dan bun teligi slam trekam bat ki project ki bak sarkar kalawan ra ha jingjal henrei kimla setia ban teri kampura bat ka jingjal menta kala pen ban kom ka jingjabol lani ka bo pen kala sakatien pareng Kom kata kajaka berat jabo penban.
I would like to be very specific in some issues which I would like to highlight. Due to the paucity of time, though I am long in height, I'll have to cut my speech short. There are so many incomplete projects in my constituency. So I would like to draw the attention of the government towards those incomplete projects which is still not functional under my constituency, Dadengre. Number one, Jingkylli Airport, which we have already discussed in the question hour also. So I would like to urge the government of today to make it functional at the earliest. Every year, we, with high hopes and expectation, are always looking out for the functional of the Jingkylli Airport, but in the end, every year, only Mairang festival is landing in the airport. So this time, we hope, with high hope and aspiration on this government, that not only the Mairang festival, airport will be landing. The aeroplanes will be landing in the Jingkylli. And another one, which is incomplete, I would say, is Jingkylli oxygen plant. It has been inaugurated some 3 years back to meet the shortage of oxygen cylinders in Garo Hills and some western parts of the West Khas Hills district also. But it is not functional yet. Only the inauguration doesn't mean that we have achieved. So we have to make it functional. And Jingkylli Farmers Market, it is also another project which is yet to be made functional. So with this, these 3 points which I would like to focus, Jingkylli Airport, Jingkylli Oxygen Plant and Jingkylli Farmers Market. So now it has become an eyesore to the mocking point for the people also. Now Jingkylli has been called, because of this incomplete projects, Jingkylli has been called like Jingjabol, which means waste dumping ground. So I would like to draw the kind attention of the government to look into these matters, and the long pending demand of the people of Dadengre is the creation of district in Dadengre, upgradation of Dadengre civil subdivision into a full-fledged district. I am very much happy with the news item which carries that the government is examining the feasibility of creating Dadengre district. If it can be done in the earliest, the people of Dadengre will be very, very happy, and we can expect many things from the present government. In the past, it has been witnessed that there has been exercise in the equal creation of districts. If one district is created in Khasi or Jaintia Hills, one is always created in Garo Hills region also. But in 2021, Mairang has been upgraded into a district, but Garo Hills has been left out in creation of the district. So I would like to demand the creation of Dadengri at the earliest. And it is worth mentioning that Damalasam police station is without a building. It is functioning without a building, sir. It was created in 2017. After 8 long years also, it is being functioned without a building. It is being functioned in a forest office, or forest IB, sorry. So, even the staff quarters are not there. The police personnel staying there, working there, they are staying in a very poor condition, in a bamboo makeshift camp, like the terrorists used to stay in the movies we used to watch. So I would like to draw the kind attention of the government to give special attention to that, so that a police station building can be constructed in Damalasam. And another, Dadengri MEPDCL office is also functioning in a residential quarter in the block office complex. So a new office should be constructed for the better functioning of the office. And Jingkylli civil subdivision has already been created, but no infrastructure development has been done in this regard. So administrative building should be there, should be constructed at the earliest, and all the necessary staffs, required staff should be appointed at the earliest for the better administration and service to the people. And it has come to my knowledge that Office of the Executive Engineer, Dadengri Zone, has already been created. But sad to say, the Executive Engineer's office is being functioned from Tura only, not in Dadengri. So I would like to request the government of the day in this August House to construct an office in Dadengri itself, so that people can avail the benefit. And I have already talked about the farmers' grievances in the question hour also. So lots of people are suffering in my constituency due to that bad road disease. As in the course of reply from the Honorable Minister, it was replied that all necessary measures are being taken, and awareness programs, sensitization programs are being provided to the farmers. But I have come to know from the ground that there is no such programs being organized for the welfare of the farmers. So may I get the attention of the government towards the grievances of the farmers, and may I request the government of the day to address the farmers' grievances. And I would like to put forward the demand for the upgradation of Damalasam Sub-Center into a full-fledged public health center, as Damalasam has already police station. But in some cases, if some cases happen for medical examinations and all, accused as well as the victims are being referred to Dadengri, which is very far from Damalasam. So it is required that the Ramala Assessment Sub-Center should be upgraded into a full-fledged.
Please wind up, please. We have limited time.
Sir, may I request 1 minute?
Just 1 minute, please.
Okay, sir.
Please wind up.
Thank you. And in the education sector, I would like to draw the kind attention of the government to introduce Science and Commerce course of study in Dadingre Puri Government Secondary School, Higher Secondary School actually. And in 2004, MTET examination, MTET result was declared, but till that, those who have passed in 2024 in the results declared, they have not been appointed. But in this year itself, already one advertisement has come up for the recruitment, fresh recruitment of the teachers. So those who have passed in 2024 should be appointed at the earliest. This is my humble demand.
Please,
with this few submission, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.